guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making squishy earrings. So without further ado, let's just get started. First, I just draw some squares on the sponge, and I just make sure to make all the sides equal so that it's actually a square. You know, squares have equal sides. So I just cut them off. You need to make sure that the square size is small enough to be made into earrings as well. So I think this is like the first attempt of me trying to make ribbons out of sponge. It is so hard, so freaking hard, because it's so small. Like, it's smaller than the square. The square is already small itself. Next, I use colored clay, which dries out pretty fast, so I just give up. So at the end, I just use white clay, and it works out pretty fine. So I'm just rolling 3 circles out. Use those 3 circles to build the general shape of ribbons. And kind of use water to moisten it up a little bit so that I can add on the details later. Use the tool to sculpt on the details. Paint it with paint. So I just use white for now. ASMR time. So it turned out to be very cute and nice. Really like it, and now I'm just gonna put on all the painting details with my paint. Using a black paint to paint on the face and the smile. Going back to the pink paint to paint on the blush. Once I'm done painting the face and everything else, I attach an eye pin to the squishy. I also use my bare hands to twist open a jump ring. You're supposed to use a tool, but I think I misplaced it somewhere, so I just use my girl power to open it up. And I just kind of attach the jump ring through the eye pin and followed by a golden chain. I wanted to make this earrings that dangles here and there, but at the end I think the shorter one looks better. You will see in like the outro. I just attach it to this earring accessory. This accessory allows people without piercing to be able to wear earrings. I have piercings, but I decided to just go with that because I think it looks better. Attach this earring accessory to the metal chain with another jump ring. So that's the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe right below if you haven't already. Make sure you ring the bell button to get notified whenever I upload, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!